Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping the manufacturing industry? Let's take a deep dive into this riveting subject. The manufacturing sector has always been a bastion of innovation, continuously searching for ways to enhance efficiency, productivity, and quality. And now, artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, has taken the stage as a game changer in the field. AI is not a single, rather, it's a blend of multiple disciplines, all designed to emulate human intelligence in machines. This includes machine learning, a process where systems improve their performance by learning from data. Then there's computer vision, which allows machines to comprehend the visual world around them. And of course, we cannot overlook robotics, a field that employs AI to develop sophisticated robots capable of performing intricate tasks. These technologies are changing the mechanics of the manufacturing process. Machine learning algorithms, for example, are employed to massive amounts of data produced during the manufacturing process. They are capable of identifying inefficiencies, predicting potential failures, and enhancing the overall performance of the manufacturing process. Computer vision plays a pivotal role in maintaining product quality. It facilitates automated inspection and detection of defects, ensuring that only flawless products make their way into the market. As for robotics, the sight of robots seamlessly assembling products with incredible precision and speed has become a common occurrence in modern manufacturing plants. The integration of AI into manufacturing is not merely the introduction of new technologies. It signifies a total paradigm shift in traditional manufacturing. It provides a glimpse into a future where machines are not limited to just performing tasks, but are capable of learning from experiences, adapting, and improving over time. This transformative potential of AI is driving unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity in manufacturing. The increased use of AI is heralding a new age of expanded capabilities and higher standards in the manufacturing industry. A future where artificial intelligence is at the core of the industry, molding its evolution and laying the groundwork for a future that promises to be as it is unpredictable. Indeed, the dawn of AI in manufacturing is ushering in a new era of efficiency and productivity. An era where artificial intelligence stands at the heart of the industry, shaping its evolution and setting the stage for a future that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. Imagine a system that can predict potential equipment failures before they happen. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's already happening with AI. Welcome to the world of predictive maintenance, a revolutionary application of AI in manufacturing. Gone are the days of reactive maintenance practices where equipment failure was dealt with post-occurrence. That approach resulted in expensive downtime, unplanned disruptions, and hefty repairs. But with AI, we're transitioning from reactive to proactive maintenance. So what does this process involve? At the core of predictive maintenance, we find machine learning algorithms. These sophisticated codes analyze equipment data in real time, spotting patterns and irregularities that may hint at an imminent issue. Imagine having a crystal ball predicting mechanical problems before they take place. The more data the algorithm processes, the better its predictive capabilities become. Now, let's look at a real-world example to illustrate AI's impact on predictive maintenance. General Electric, a global conglomerate, incorporated a predictive maintenance system for its aircraft engines. The outcomes were nothing short of impressive. The company reported a 20% reduction in maintenance costs and a 10% increase in operational efficiency. But it's more than just cost saving, although that's a substantial advantage. It's about reducing disruption, boosting productivity, and propelling the manufacturing process forward. The power to predict and avert equipment failure equals less downtime, smoother operations, and augmented output. But AI's true potential in predictive maintenance extends beyond just identifying possible failures. It can also proactively schedule maintenance tasks, ensuring that equipment is serviced at the ideal time to prevent breakdowns. This method boosts equipment uptime, lowers maintenance expenses, and improves overall operational efficiency. So, what's the takeaway? With AI, predictive maintenance has transformed from a dream to a reality that's significantly influencing the manufacturing industry. The future is intelligent, proactive, and efficient thanks to AI. This is merely one facet of how AI is revolutionizing the industry. And remember, there's so much more to discover, so keep an eye out. So, what's the bottom line? With AI, predictive maintenance is no longer a dream, but a reality that's making a significant impact on the manufacturing industry. The future of manufacturing is intelligent, proactive, and efficient, thanks to the transformative power of artificial intelligence. And this is just one aspect of how AI is revolutionizing the industry. There's so much more to explore, so stay tuned. Quality control is a critical aspect of manufacturing. But did you know that artificial intelligence is now at the forefront of this vital manufacturing process? The evolution of technology has always brought about significant changes in various sectors, but the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, is radically changing the landscape of industrial quality control. Traditional methods of quality control have long been a process demanding significant human resources, involving manual inspection of each product, thereby increasing the likelihood of human error. In contrast, the infusion of AI in quality control is making the process more streamlined, efficient, and precise. Artificial intelligence in its myriad forms is being harnessed to revolutionize the way we conduct quality control in manufacturing sectors. Certain technologies, such as computer vision and machine learning, are key in this transformation. Imagine a sophisticated system that can inspect thousands of products in an instant, identifying minuscule defects that the human eye may not even detect. That's exactly what computer vision, a subfield of AI, accomplishes. This technology endows machines with the ability to see, interpret, and analyze images much like a human, albeit with far superior speed and accuracy. Yet, AI isn't just confined to identifying machine learning. Another subset of AI adds an additional layer of intelligence to these systems, enabling them to learn from their past errors and consistently enhance their precision and efficiency over time. But it doesn't end there. Machine learning algorithms also have the capability to analyze historical data to recognize patterns and trends which often precede defects. This predictive analysis allows manufacturers to preemptively intervene and rectify potential future defects, resulting in substantial savings in time, money, and potentially protecting their reputation. A tangible example of this is Foxconn, a global leader in the electronics manufacturing industry. Foxconn has integrated state-of-the-art AI-based quality control systems into its production lines. The resulting impact has been phenomenal, with a dramatic 30% reduction in defects and a significant improvement in product yield. By leveraging the power of AI, Foxconn has not only enhanced its product quality, but also succeeded in significantly reducing in cost. The real-world implications of this technological innovation are vast. AI isn't simply improving existing quality control processes, it's conducting a full-scale revolution. It provides manufacturers with an invaluable tool set that ensures higher product quality, decreased waste, and increased efficiency. This transformative effect of AI is only the beginning. As AI continues to evolve and improve at a rapid pace, its influence on quality control and the manufacturing industry as a whole is anticipated to become even more profound in the coming years. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. AI is not just improving quality control processes, it's redefining them. Optimizing manufacturing processes can be a daunting task, but with AI it's becoming more manageable and efficient than ever. The immersion of artificial intelligence in manufacturing sectors has unfolded a new era of proficiency and precision. The age-old saying, "time is money," holds an unparalleled significance in manufacturing, where even the slightest inefficiencies can disrupt the balance and cost a fortune. Artificial intelligence weaves its magic here, making the process smoother and effective. AI algorithms come into the picture, analyzing enormous amounts of data generated during the manufacturing process, identifying the loopholes, and optimizing the procedures. Visualization of a factory floor bustling with activities can give an idea of how AI works in such environments. Machines in operation, conveyor belts in motion, and products being produced at a consistent rate. Amidst this dynamic exchange of processes and activities, there lurk inefficiencies that often surpass the human eye. However, AI doesn't miss a beat. It sifts through all the noise, pinpoints the areas requiring improvement, and streamlines the process to save time, resources, and additional costs. It processes and scrutinizes data from diverse sources such as machine logs, sensor data, and production metrics. With this analytical power, AI detects patterns and trends that humans might overlook. For instance, an AI system might observe that a specific machine starts overheating and slowing down after running continuously for 3 hours. This could potentially compromise product quality or even halt the entire production. But with the insight provided by AI, the factory managers can schedule regular breaks for the machine, ensuring it doesn't overheat and productivity remains at its peak. Additionally, AI can simulate various production scenarios and predict the corresponding outcomes. This predictive capability gives the decision-makers the liberty to choose the most efficient and cost-effective production strategies. The game-changing aspect of AI is its ability to facilitate proactive decision-making over reactive problem-solving. The benefits of AI in process optimization are far from over. It further extends its reach to real-time monitoring and control of manufacturing processes. Any deviations from the established process parameters can be detected and corrected in real time through AI, ensuring a consistent product quality and minimizing waste. AI's learning capabilities, known as machine learning, allow it to learn from its own experiences and continuously improve its performance. The more data the AI system processes, the more efficient it becomes at identifying and addressing inefficiencies. This evolving nature of AI makes it a promising tool in optimizing manufacturing processes. In the quest for process optimization, AI is the compass leading the way. Despite its numerous benefits, the adoption of AI in manufacturing is not without challenges. Indeed, several concerns emerge when we start discussing AI's integration into the industrial sector. A predominant issue that arises is the question of data privacy. AI systems flourish on data, and this data in the manufacturing realm frequently comprises sensitive details about unique, proprietary processes and technologies. Consequently, the potential for data breaches and misuse rises exponentially, which manufacturers need to be vigilant about. Manufacturers have to traverse the intricate labyrinth of data protection regulations while ensuring they can still enjoy the fruits of AI. This makes it a double-edged sword, a situation they need to navigate with much prudence. Furthermore, there's the quandary of integration. Embedding AI technologies into existing systems can often demand substantial changes to the current systems and processes. Integrating AI into legacy systems can turn into a complicated, time-intensive, and highly expensive endeavor. To add to this, there's a need to ensure compatibility between AI systems and the existing machinery, which can pose an incredible technical challenge. This perhaps is one of the most significant impediments to the quick adoption of AI in manufacturing. Yet another stumbling block on this path is the prevailing skills gap. To successfully implement AI in manufacturing, an adept workforce well-versed in AI technologies is indispensable. And this requirement for upskilling is not merely confined to tech-related roles. Traditional roles such as those of machine operators and maintenance staff also need to grasp the fundamentals of AI to interact effectively with AI-enabled systems. Moreover, the fear of job loss due to automation looms large. Although AI does create new job opportunities, it also has the potential to replace certain roles, particularly those that involve routine tasks. Managing this transition and ensuring that the workforce is equipped for the changes that AI brings about is a critical challenge that manufacturers must tackle head-on. The extensive financial investment needed to adopt AI technologies is another significant obstacle. The entire process, from procuring the required hardware and software to training the workforce and maintaining the systems, can result in costs skyrocketing quickly. However, manufacturers must balance these initial expenses against the possible long-term benefits that AI can deliver, such as enhanced efficiency, superior product quality, and reduced downtime. The road to AI adoption may be bumpy, but the destination promises unprecedented benefits. After all, the odyssey of innovation has never been without its obstacles, and surmounting these challenges is an integral part of the process that culminates in growth and progress. Every technological revolution has its teething issues, and AI is no exception. However, the potential benefits and the impact AI can have on the manufacturing sector make this journey worthwhile. The future of manufacturing is not just about machines, it's about intelligent machines. As we look ahead, we understand that AI's role in this industry is set to magnify. Reflecting back, the Industrial Revolution redefined manufacturing, and now, AI stands on that threshold, ready to usher in an era of innovation and unprecedented efficiency. Picture a future where AI systems predict equipment failures, diagnose issues, and execute self-repairs, virtually eliminating downtime and ensuring maximum output. This isn't mere fantasy, this is an imminent reality made possible by strides in self-learning algorithms and autonomous robotics. In terms of quality control, evolving AI technologies will catch even the most minuscule defects, ensuring only top-tier quality products reach the market. Advanced computer vision coupled with machine learning algorithms will bring unparalleled precision in defect detection, eradicating room for human error. The manufacturing process itself will undergo a transformation, with AI algorithms continuously optimizing every step of the production line. Tasks like resource allocation and workflow management will be made more efficient by AI, ensuring manufacturing is not just faster, but smarter. But humans will have their roles. The future of manufacturing will see a coexistence between humans and AI. The future workforce will be trained to work in tandem with AI, using the power of intelligent machines to augment human capabilities. Far from replacing humans, AI will empower them, fostering an environment where human ingenuity and AI efficiency coexist. As we march towards this future, we must also be prepared for the challenges it brings. Issues like data privacy and ethical implications of AI are real. The road ahead is not without its obstacles. But, viewed from another perspective, these challenges become opportunities for growth and evolution. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by AI. As we tiptoe into this new era, the horizons seem endless. With AI steering the ship, the manufacturing industry is set to start an extraordinary voyage, one that will not only change how we manufacture, but also what we can accomplish. So, what does all this mean for the manufacturing industry? Briefly summarize the important aspects we've unearthed. We've explored the dawn of artificial intelligence in manufacturing, a powerful force that's radically altering the face of the industry. With applications spanning from predictive maintenance to quality control and process optimization, AI is not merely a tool, but a revolutionary force challenging traditional norms. Take predictive maintenance as a prime example, where AI has transformed the traditional reactive stance to a more preventative one. By analyzing equipment data in real time, AI predicts potential failures before they happen, revolutionizing maintenance protocols. This proactive strategy enhances equipment uptime and decreases maintenance expenses, evidenced by General Electric's aircraft engines. Next, we have quality control, an essential component of manufacturing. Here, AI technologies like computer vision and machine learning streamline the process, automating inspection and detecting defects. They enhance accuracy, increase product quality, and minimize waste, as illustrated by Foxconn's production not overlook process optimization. AI algorithms sift through enormous volumes of data generated during manufacturing, identifying areas of inefficiency and refining procedures. This unique ability to learn and adapt opens a realm of possibilities for increased efficiency and productivity. However, the integration of AI into manufacturing isn't without its obstacles. From data privacy issues to the necessity of workforce upskilling, these challenges can't be ignored. But as we tackle these setbacks, we're also carving out the path for the future, a future in which AI and manufacturing are indissolubly linked. The impact of AI on manufacturing is profound, and it's just the beginning. As we continue to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence, we're not only altering the manufacturing processes, but also laying the groundwork for a new epoch of innovation, efficiency, and productivity, an era where the possibilities are as boundless as our imagination.